Billboard Philippines. Volumes.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to a very special episode of Billboard Philippines Volumes, where we turn up the volume on your favorite artist stories. And today, we are with some of the leaders of the new generation of P-pop. We are with Jazz of G22, Alas of Alamat, Jello of BGYO, C13 of Vision, Sophia of Kaya, and Ethan of GAT. And this is your P-pop Rising class of 2025. Make some noise in the room. Now, when we're saying P-pop Rising, we're talking about P-pop Rising. Yes, we know that there are leaders in P-pop right now leading the charge, not only internationally but globally. They're selling out Philippine Arena. They're selling out world tours. But right now, we're with the next up. We're with the people that are going to be next in line, leading the charge, leading the way for what P-pop is today. So, with that being said, in your own words, how would you describe P-pop rise? Let's start with Alas of Alamat.
Para sa akin yung P-pop na word is parang ano siya, malawak siya, diverse siya, tsaka kung titignan mo sa grupo namin, sari-sari talagang kultura, baga. Baga hindi lang siya nalalabas sa ngayon, pero soon, I think.
Jazz.
P-pop Rise for me is a celebration. Supporting P-pop Rise is celebrating culture, celebrating language. It's uniting everyone. So for me, that's what it is. Yeah.
One of our younger members here, Ethan.
For me, P-pop Rise, it's more of helping each other, especially the groups, especially the fans. I feel like it's like a community. So we really have to help each other, lift each other up, like groups, fandoms, magtitipon-tipon yan to help each other. And I think that's what P-pop Rise is.
Yeah, and I really love that word, community. It's a community. It's a community of fans, a community of groups, a community of artists that are lifting each other up, because it's not us against each other. It's us working towards one goal, right?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Sophia?
For me, when I think of P-pop Rise, I think of the word hope. Because I know na each of our groups, we all have our own styles. But at the same time, when you put us all together, I know we are all equally talented. And I know na this is something na we can take pride for the country. Kasi ang talentadong Pinoy talaga, it's something to be proud of. It's something na hindi mo dapat kinakahiya. So, with the talent na I see personally in the whole P-pop community, it's something na it gives me hope kasi I know there's a lot of potential in this community.
So very true. Jello naman.
For me, P-pop is a community with mutual respect, celebrating music, and sining ng Pilipino.
Short and sweet. We love that. C13.
For me, when we say P-pop Rise, it is a growing movement to let the masses know and be aware of our own music. Because before, P-pop is not widely accepted yet, but look what P-pop is right now. Yeah, a lot of people, listen to P-pop now, and there's a lot of amazing groups that work hard to let P-pop be known worldwide.
Now that is so true. I mean, let's just be real. Not too long ago, a lot of different things were being said about P-pop in a different way. It wasn't looked at the same way as looked now. Now that we're in an age where it's more accepted and more just generally put out there and everyone's accepting it, what is your hope for it right now? Like, how do you feel like the future is looking for P-pop? Alas.
Hope. Medyo ano kasi siya pag pinakinggan mo yung hope na word. Kasi hindi pa kasi, rising pa kasi yung P-pop na word talaga. Like other genre like hip-hop, mga ganon. So, siguro para sa akin, para ma-sustain natin yung hope is, wag lang tayo tumigil, ganon talaga. Suportahan natin yung mga talented artists natin sa Pilipinas.
We're seeing all of you do a lot of bigger things. I mean, most of you I've seen on world tours. I've seen you do international shows. I've seen you do nationwide tours. I've seen you have breakout hits, endorsements, all these things. What does it feel like, or has there been a point in your career so far where you can say, "Wow, this is the turning point for our group"? Let's start out with one of the newer groups right now. Ethan, go ahead.
Well, with GAT, I can say we're pretty blessed, you know, because we have a series, as we all know. Like four of us are included in a series, ang Mechanic Section E, and I guess somewhat it really helped our group. It really helped our song push through mainstream, especially when we saw it and like they do it on TikTok, Instagram, and all platforms. If parang it's something we didn't expect.
Yeah.
Something we didn't expect. We released that song, and then when it became a viral hit, we did the MV after. So it wasn't planned at all. It was just supposed to be the theme song. But you know, I just want to say the TikTok dance went viral because there, the P-pop rise. I did it with Beanie.
Yep.
I did it with Vision, Aja, and that's where people come in. That's what I said. It's a community. We can't do this na kami lang. Parang na-boost yun lalo because of the community of Beanie, yung fans nila, of course, you know. And dun mo makikita na, pag nagtutulungan-tulungan ng Pilipino, pag nagtulungan ang lahat ng grupo, lahat tayo sa success.
Step by
Step
the step.
by the step.
Step.
Yeah. So I'm
Okay.
really happy seeing like other groups like collaborating na sila lalo.
Super true.
Parang ang saya na makita yung ganun na very ano lang tayo. Chill lang tayo sa buhay. We're just happy doing our passion and all. Yeah.
Sophia, I've been seeing your group just going out of the country more and more often. Congratulations, first of
Thank
all.
you so much.
What is a point right now in your career where you can say that this is a turning point for us?
I think our new song
Yes.
right now, it's doing so well everywhere. So I would
Cover
like
of
to
viral hits right here.
I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you to everyone who is supporting our new song. And going back, I think this is not expected at all. So this song is given to us by Zakta Budlo. She's a very famous singer, a very talented one. And he reached out to us na parang gusto niya talaga kami bigyan ng song, which we didn't really expect kasi we just, alam mo yun, parang nagkakasama lang kami sa mga events. And like a very famous singer, a talented singer na we also idolize, he sees potential in us. So that's something na we feel very blessed for that one. And to see people do the dance trends tulad po nung sa GAT, it's very heartwarming for us kasi yung support sa P-pop ngayon, it's everywhere already. Parang lumalaki na rin yung P-pop community, which I am very blessed. I am very thankful to be part of it. And with that, gusto ko lang din po i-take in time na to acknowledge and give respect to the seniors kasi most of them actually parang seniors ng kaya kasi mas nauna po sila nag-debut sa amin. So without our seniors, hindi ganito kalaki yung magiging new single namin. So I would like to thank all the groups that helped na i-push yung P-pop to its success right now. And for the rest of the groups, for the other groups na todo suporta po talaga sa amin, and to the aspiring groups din na patuloy na sumusuporta and nagtitiwala sa P-pop, maraming salamat po.
Well, that's amazing. Jello, I know BGYO just put out an amazing project, self-titled project. What is a point in your career you say, wow, this is really a turning point for us?
Well, sa buong career namin bilang P-pop, masasabi ko talaga na sobrang overwhelming siya. Kasi isa kayo sa magde-define, tayo lahat sa magde-define para mabuo yung definition ng P-pop kung saan tayo patungo. But at the same time, it's inspiring kasi we're all part of this common movement, isang movement na about music, and parang ang sarap sa pakiramdam na isa tayo sa mga reasons kung bakit pinapalawak natin yung talent ng Pinoy sa buong mundo. And I think yung sa turning point bilang BGY nalaman ko na, okay, ito yung ginagawa ko. I think yung mga simpleng marinig yung fan chant ng Aces,
Hey.
yung mga times na kahit feeling mo walang pupunta na fans, may mga kahit tatlo, ma-appreciate mo yan. And yung kahit mag-perform ka sa mga tao na kahit sabi mong hindi mo crowd, pero may isa diyang naniniwala sa'yo. Yun yung mga times na gusto kong magpasalamat and mafe-feel mo talaga na, okay, this is real and you
Yep.
just have to keep going. Kasi there's always hope, sabi nga nila.
You know, there used to be, well, until now a bit, but a lot less now. There used to be a lot of comparison of P-pop to other countries, whether it's other Asian countries or the West. In this day and age, when you're pushing P-pop and you're pushing it to the next level, what is the special or USP of P-pop? What can you say is that special thing that P-pop has that no other pop music has?
Siguro para sa akin, pag sinabi mo nga Pilipino, given na yun, mga singers eh. Di ba?
Boom.
Actually, kaya ako, di ba? Totoo. Totoo naman yun.
Let's
Ba-
be real.
Oo, kasi kunyari, pag nasa ibang bansa ka, pag alaman, Pilipino, okay, marunong kumanta yan.
Yeah.
ganun. So, yun siguro. Sa yung kultura din natin.
Let's go into that for a second. How important is Filipino culture in Filipino pop?
Kasi lahat kasi ng bagay nagfe-fade eh. So, baga nawawala. Kasi kahit sa amin, meron ding kultura namin sa amin mismo, sa Mindanao na nakakalimutan na. So, kaya nandito kami na alamat para magpaparemind sa lahat ng Pilipino na kailangan natin buhayin, huwag natin kalimutan.
That's really deep. That's really deep. I think that's super true. A lot of the times we can look at what's happening around the world and we want to copy it. We want to be like that. But the best thing that you can do at the end of the day is just be truly yourself. Be Filipino.
Kasi minsan kasi pag nakikita natin marami na gumagagaya na tayo pero alam naman natin sa sarili natin na may originality tayo. Meron sa sariling atin. Ganun.
Within G22, how can you say that you're pushing Filipino culture forward?
Well, personally, I was raised outside of the Philippines, but it was super driven in me and rooted in me Filipino culture, like from the food and, the traditions. And when I started training with G22, first of all, they were speaking Tagalog to me always, so I really tried to learn the language, and we did a lot of types of dance practice, including Filipino folk,
Yep.
which was really interesting. I would learn quite a lot. I think there's always a question on like how do you stand out and how to be more Filipino, but I think what's most important is being yourself, because being Filipino is already Filipino enough.
Mm-mm.
And really bringing that out and trying to be unique. You don't need to try to be unique, because if you try to be yourself, there's no one like you. You're already unique. You're already Filipino. And that's that.
You know, I know Vision, you guys did a lot of training outside the country as well, and you went on a full tour outside the country. When you were outside the country, how was the reception to P-pop?
Well, our very first international event was in Dubai during the Dubai Expo.
Awesome.
That was like a few months after we debuted. So going in, we didn't really know what to expect, but we were surprised when we arrived at the airport. There were supporters
Wow.
like our Vixies. So we're very thankful na sobrang natuwa talaga kami pagdating nila. Kasi yun talagang sinabi nila na they were like listening to our songs and how much they appreciate us. So from there, talagang gusto namin ibigay yung 100% namin. Kasi talagang hindi namin ina-expect. Since yung ka-debut nga lang namin, what more pa kapag we perform sa like international. So we're very, very thankful sa kanila.
I know, Jello, you've been touring the U.S. a lot with the whole group. How's the experience been, and what's been it like playing in front of different crowds, especially having songs in Filipino and English?
Siyempre, pag pupunta ka sa ibang bansa, medyo nakaka-intimidate din
Yeah.
kasi di mo naman parang turf yun. Pero I think ang pinaka-secret lang dyan is kailangan mo kapalan rin talaga mukha mo para ibenta yung sarili mo, ibenta yung buong P-pop. And yung experience namin doon is actually very fun kasi makikita mo talaga genuine yung reactions sila. Kasi usually when we go outside the country, we do buskings, radio guestings, yung mga public appearances na biglaan. Parang may mapapapost na lang ng mga tao na, okay, parang nakagana lalo mag-perform kasi mag-stop talaga sila, manonood. So, parang i-share pa nila sa mga kasama nila. And I think it's a good way talaga na ganung way para i-share yung music ng P-pop.
That's true. Let's do a fun one naman. Let's go around in a circle. Say your favorite P-pop song from a different P-pop act. Who wants to start?
I'll start. Do I start?
Okay.
Okay. For me, Day and Night by Alamat.
Okay, I have to change mine now.
Hindi ko alam. It's parang may something siya na pag pinatugtog mo, parang may kumikiliti sa tayo. And actually, ako talaga, like, I'm Bicolano,
Mm-mm.
pero I don't really understand a lot. Pero it's so nice to see a P-pop group that represents that region. Kasi parang I feel represented. Parang ganun. So, yun, going back doon, gusto ko lang din sabihin na ang ganda rin talaga ng concept ng Alamat kasi sila talaga yung nagre-represent ng Filipino culture. When I think of Filipino culture talaga in P-pop, I think of Alamat.
Wow.
So, yeah, I really like their songs pero Day and Night, Enjoyer, right here. Right here.
Oh.
Next.
Ako? Circle. Pag ano, sige. Ako,
Circle nga eh.
pag-cross. Siguro, rapper kasi ako, so, nung narinig ko tong kanta to, papapalaban. Diba, madulas kasi siya sa dila eh.
Yep.
So, nag-stuck na siya sa utak ko, hindi na siya mawala. Yun, G22.
Hey.
I've been really LSS right now to Alas 12 by Calista.
Okay.
Yeah, I think also the dance is great and it's something fresh, really bagay sa summertime, and I really like it. Yeah, it's my favorite.
Nagtingin No. For me, I like Damn
Yes.
by SB19.
Oh, yes,
I can't
definitely.
even say how much we play that song sa rehearsals. Ako mismo sa CR, sinasayaw ko yung Damn.
Mm-mm.
It's really, SB19 na yan.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing more to say. SB19 na yan.
For me, Liham by SB19. Sobrang ganda ng storytelling, and then when you listen to the song, talagang damang-dama mo yung emotion. And it's a song na you can dedicate to your loved ones. Kunwari, your partner, your family, ganun. Super ganda. Yeah.
Ako ngayon, since lagi ko siya naririnig, yung kanta nyo.
Hey.
Dalig-dalig. Sobrang ano siya, sobrang fresh, sobrang, parang ang sarap sayawin, sarap i-perform. And pre-debut nila, good job, sobrang nakaka-proud. Tsaka, ganda. Sobrang eye candy. Ear candy ba tawag doon?
Yes.
Earworm. LSS. Parang ganun. Yeah, I love the energy tsaka yung pinaka-mood ng kanta.
Well, we know that so many good things are happening for P-pop right now. The whole genre as a whole is just exploding. But there's so much farther that it can go. What do you see as the future? Maybe a year from now or 5 years from now, where do you see P-pop? Anyone can start.
For me, in 5 years or in 10 years or even less than 5 years, I can see P-pop going global. And actually, it's already starting,
That's
which
true.
makes me very happy. And aside from that, I just hope and I just want for each of our groups to reach whatever goals we have for our group. So, kung big concerts, albums, releases, and everything, I just wish all groups good luck for that one. And yeah, I think one of the things that I really want for P-pop is to have more outlets. So more events, more TV shows, or like music events in general, because I feel like it's a place where we can collaborate with each other and for other people to, be more aware of P-pop as well. So I think
I
that's one of the goals that I have for that, for P-pop.
I agree. I think more reach, more platform to inspire, to spread the Philippine talent. And I think definitely there'll be more groups to dominate, to debut, more songs and genres to tap. Um, so much concepts that haven't been conceptualized yet, but is gonna blow your mind, especially with the upscale of the technology, the combination with technology and music. In 5 to 10 years, it will be crazy, astronomical. Like,
Yes.
wow, undescribable.
Oh.
Yeah.
How about you, Ethan?
For me, international talaga.
Yeah.
I can see it already. Because right now, P-pop groups are breaking records
So true.
that they haven't been able to beat before. Like Kaya, I know you're like, that's your first 200,000 monthly
Yeah.
listeners. I saw that.
you.
I was like,
It's a
I was like, now 2025 with their single, their full English, like
Yep.
EP. You're performing in US. I see you guys, and of course, I like your palaman. So,
Salamat.
totoo. You can see that's already international because with Daling Dale, I saw that already with fans in the comment section. It went to India, um, Indonesia. Doon mo makikita na na-appreciate pala na nila ang Tagalog, pure Tagalog. Gusto din nila talaga. And you don't really need to showcase anything. Just be like what Chaz said earlier. Just be you. Just be Filipino. And I think that's what P-pop is.
Ako feeling ko yung P-pop na word magiging selyado na in the future. Kasi sa dami naman na umuusbong ngayon na mga groups, ganun. Ah, so, tatagal talaga siya. Basta consistent lang. Siyempre, mahirap talaga sa umpisa. Ganun talaga. Pero yun, consistent is the key.
Yes. I truly believe in 5 to 10 years when the word pop is mentioned, P-pop is one of the
Yeah.
Yes.
the key words that pops in people's minds.
Lapit na.
Baga kung may hip-hop, di ba? R&B. Baka in the future may P-pop.
P-pop, yes.
Yes. Yes.
Ilan taon na tayo nun?
Kaya pa. Bilisan natin siya.
C13.
And actually, when we debuted 3 years ago, we got asked, we were asked like the same question, and to see everything happen so fast in a span of 3 years instead of like 5 years, sobrang we're very proud, we're very humbled, and syempre natutuwa rin kami na nagkaroon din ng maraming platforms like Billboard Philippines. So maraming salamat po sa inyo na talagang sumusupport sa P-pop. And before gusto lang namin magkaroon ng mga concert, sa mga small venues. But now, look what's happening. Like we're selling out arenas, and then hindi lang 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, and then even international. So we're very very proud of where P-pop is right now.
I just want to add to that. Speaking of Billboard Philippines, yung fact na may Billboard Philippines dito sa Pilipinas speaks a lot.
Hey, true.
Yeah. That means na-recognize ng P-pop, OPM, you name it. We're very happy. Thank you.
Amen. Jello.
In 5 years, for me kasi ang P-pop, it's not just a trend. Feeling ko sobrang magkaka-longevity yan. Ngayon, lalo na ngayon na ang dami na na-recognize sa mga songs from P-pop na umaabot sa mga iba't ibang charts. And I'm so happy na nangyayari yan ngayon. Tapos dami na rin lumalabas sa mga grupo. Pero I hope in 5 years, I think sana magkita tayo sa mga global stages, mga awards. And parehas lang tayo nagtutulungan, co-collaborate with music sa iba't ibang mga platforms, iba't ibang skills, or kumbaga tayo-tayo din naman in the end. Yeah.
I guess this one's a little bit about legacy. Now each of you have a group at different periods, right? You've debuted at different times. What would you want your group to be remembered for? I know it's a little bit hard. Pero, I guess, sige, let's start with the youngin right here.
Nakanervous yun. Ang hirap nun. For me, kung ang GAD, anong gusto naming iwan? We want classic songs na pakikinggan ng ibang generations.
Hey,
Yung
so true.
mag-leave ng mark, yung, alam mo yung, when we have those songs na yung kahit bata tayo, kinakanta natin old songs, yung mga nasa karaoke.
Yep.
Yung ganon, yung papakinggan ng older generations, younger generations. And I think, yun naman ang goal ng lahat. To have that kind of music that stays throughout generations, not just the music that just, nilipas lang yan. It can be famous, it can be viral, but it's hard to be timeless.
Wow.
It's hard to leave a legacy, and I think that's what our group's goal is.
Amazing. So true.
I'm part from music as well. I think something that's really important to me is that people will remember us by advocacy and character.
Wow.
That even if we leave this earth, we left the soul for music. We left our soul in our music, in our craft, and that authenticity is there. And our character, although we're not perfect people, we try our best and we show up to entertain, to make people happy, and just to be real in our lyrics, in the way we perform. So I think that's something that's very important that I want to be remembered by our group in general.
So true. Alas.
Sa pangalan na Alamat pa lang, di ba? Parang nag-iwan na talaga ng alamat.
Yes.
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 Di ba? Tama. So, katulad ng sinabi nila, gusto namin nag-iwan ng legacy, advocacy, kumbaga advocacy na parang sinusulong ng kultura natin, di ba, ng mga
Mhm.
Pilipino. Na gusto ko, or namin ang alamat na maalala soon ng mga tao na Pilipino na may gumagawa pala ng gantong tunog. Kasi as musician kami, so yung fusion baga ng ethnic tapos modern ganun. So hindi lang yun, marami pang iba sa kultura natin.
Amen.
Amen to that.
For me naman, gusto lang namin iparating na kaya niyong lahat. Like our name, that's why I'm very proud of our name na Kaya. Kasi dito namin, parang it's basically just empowerment for other people.
Mhm.
Kasi gusto namin sabihin na kaya ko, so kaya mo rin. Parang ganun. So especially with aspiring P-pop idols, gusto namin na we get to inspire them. And with our Zaya, our fans, we just want to tell them na hindi ka nag-iisa. That's always our goal whenever we make music. That's why before, kami po talaga yung nagsusulat ng songs namin. So most of our songs are written by us. Kasi gusto namin yung experiences namin and yung feelings in our hearts, ayun yung ipaperform namin or ikakanta namin sa kanila because it feels more personal, because we want to have a relationship with our fans. We want them to feel like a family when they support us.
Mhm.
So, ayun talaga yung goal ng Kaya. We don't want anyone to be left behind. We don't want anyone to be out of place. Kasi with Kaya, you always have a special place in our hearts. And gusto lang talaga namin na sabihin to our supporters na you can do anything you want with your dreams. Kayang-kaya nyo yan. Kasi kami hindi din namin ina-expect na we will get here. So I hope that it serves as an inspiration to the people who listen to us. And gusto lang talaga namin na when people listen to our songs, they feel the love, they feel the passion na we put into our work. Kasi for me, like, ako kasi I was a dancer before pa. So seeing other people dance inspires me a lot. So with this, seeing me do my own work, it also inspires me already. So I hope people can see that, and I hope na it transcends to them.
Awesome. Jello?
Me, BGYO, I think it's all about empowering people, especially Filipinos and yung mga kabataan ngayon. Kasi gusto ko iparamdam sa lahat ng tao na kaming P-pop ngayon is parang nagsisikap para
Mhm.
ilabas yung pangalan natin sa labas, and hindi natin kailangan pumunta ng abroad para lang maka-experience ng ganitong klaseng quality na music,
So true.
performances.
So true.
I think Filipinos are so talented, and for BGYO naman, gusto kong tumatak sa kanila yung mga kanta namin of course na kahit anumang mood yan, whether it's happy, sad, you wanna be inspired, you wanna be empowered, you wanna be sexy, may papasok na kanta sa inyo na pasok sa inyo ay magre-resonate talaga sa inyo bilang tao. And I think for BGYO, gusto ko ipaalam sa buong mundo na yung unique story na meron kami na I hope ma-inspire din sila.
So true.
For us, vision naman, ang vision namin when it comes to music, gusto namin yung mga tipong yung mga bata sa kalye na ririnig yung mga songs namin, yung kapag naglalakad ka sa Divisoria, ganun, or nagsasakay ng jeep. So gusto namin talagang i-reach yung music namin sa masses. And yung relatability and vulnerability na whenever they listen to our song, parang ma-feel nila na may masasandalan sila, na andun kami for them. And as an artist naman, we want to be a vessel that spreads positivity and inspiration din. Na gusto naming sabihin na because of vision, nag-change yung life namin for the better.
Okay, this is why they're P-pop idols, like for real. Yeah, I guess for a last question for the day, what would be a message you have for, I guess, young artists, your young fans, or anyone that's watching today that are aspiring to, I guess, be a P-pop idol or even just enjoy your music? What would be your message for these people that are watching today?
I'll go first.
Yeah, ready, ready.
My message to them is to really never give up. GAT has been my third P-pop group.
Wow.
Yeah. I started my first group in 2017 under Viva. 2022 for my second one. This is my third. And I really want to inspire people. I really want to do this because it's my passion. And if you don't give up, basta gawin mo yung mahal mo. If you have a goal, makukuha mo rin yun eh. So don't ever really give up. Sometimes not the first chance. Sometimes the second. Sometimes it's not even the third. Basta you love what you're doing. And at the end of the day, wala kang pagsisisihan.
Wow. I was taken aback. I was inspired. I think for me, show up. Show up for yourself.
Oof.
Show up when you're tired. Show up when you're sad. Show up because not only people need you, but you need to be there for your future self. So don't just drop everything and just show up for your future self and believe in yourself and keep that fire burning. And us being here today is the evidence you need that your dreams are possible. Your dreams will come true, and we're going to try our best. We're going to work hard to show you even more evidence that kaya mo yan. Thank you. My
Kaya
thank
mo
you.
yan.
Ikaw na.
Sobrang kaya.
So sa akin naman, para sa akin, wag lang kayo sumukot, patuloy nyo lang kung ano yung gusto nyo gawin sa buhay. Kasi kami, katulad nyo rin, ay nabuo lang din yung pangarap, baga sa bula, sa hangin, yung pangarap na yun. So hanggang sa tinupad namin. So kung kaya namin, kaya nyo rin.
For me naman, being a P-pop idol is not an easy job. I feel like alam niyo naman yan, pero it's really really fun. So yeah, kasi we get to share our talents to you. So and you get inspired by that one, and in the end gusto mo na rin maging one of us. So we're very happy na we get to inspire you. And yeah, just work hard. Like Jazz said, show up. Kasi not every day you're at your 100%. So with how much you have for the day, just show up. Kasi iba yung, lalo naman you're in a group, iba yung magiging effect niyan sa group nyo. Kasi just show up, and then your group mates will just lift you up and you're gonna be fine. It's always a good time when you're in a group. And with that said, just keep working hard, but don't forget to rest. The more na you work, mas kailangan mo ng pahinga. Kasi the worst thing that can happen in this industry is to lose yourself, which is very scary. And I'm sure lahat kami dito dumating na sa point na yon. So don't forget to rest. Prioritize your mental and physical health. Do what's best for you. Always love yourself. And yeah, always have hope, have faith, and always pray na always pray for guidance, of course, kasi dun ka hindi malolost in your life. And I just want to say na I'm praying for you. I'm praying for the whole P-pop community na ma-reach yung success na na-envision namin in our minds. So thank
Para sa mga gusto maging P-pop or na-enjoy music namin, kung ano man pinagdadaanan nyo, it's not gonna be easy. Tatagan nyo lang yung faith nyo. And for me, ang natutunan ko na gusto ko rin i-share is you can't be motivated every day. So yung discipline mo yung magpapadala sa'yo sa kung saan mo gusto mapunta. At okay lang to feel. It's okay to feel. Mas magkakaroon ka ng clarity if you allow yourself to feel yung dapat mo ma-feel.
Ako naman, the road may be bumpy, pero yung road na yun is what will make you stronger and what will lead you to success. So maraming times talaga sa P-pop na kapag nagtitraining ka or during, kunwari, pag debut mo na, ang daming obstacles talaga, daming challenges that may want to pull you down. Pero in times of giving up, tandaan mo lang lagi kung bakit ka nagsimula, para saan at para kanino. And don't let anyone dictate who you are. Be unique, be yourself, and let your passion drive you to success.
With that is our P-pop Rising class of 2025. I mean, there's so much to take away from this conversation, and we are so excited to see you guys reach even greater heights. In a year and a half that we've been doing this Billboard thing, we've seen P-pop just explode, and that's just in a year and a half. A year from now, I can't imagine where you all will be, and we're super excited for that. Thank you for being here today, and we're excited for the future
It's our
of P-pop.
pleasure. Thank you.
This is the future of P-pop right here. This has been Billboard Philippines Volumes. Catch you on the next one.
Billboard Philippines.